In our grid, of course, we will make 4 columns for the 4 criteria and give each column an appropriate title. So, the title of column 1 should be age should be greater than equal to 20 years. Of course, on 1st September 2004. We will use a short form of this, of course. And in a similar manner, we will title the other columns. Number 2, graduation marks should be greater than equal to 50%. Number 3, entrance test marks should be greater than equal to 60%. Number 4, to deposit 50,000 in one go at admission time. And now we will mark the exceptions to criteria 3 and 4 in the second row. Our first exception says, if entrance test marks are less than 60% but greater than or equal to 50%, the case is to be referred to the chairman. And exception 2 says, if at the time of admission the candidate can pay rupees 30,000 and the rest within a week, he or she will be admitted provisionally. Focus Vidya. Now we will see whether the criteria or their exceptions are fulfilled. Accordingly, we will decide the correct course of action. The first given information is the date of birth of the candidate. That is 7th November 1980. This means by 1st September 2004, the candidate is certainly more than 20 years of age. Thus, we can put a tick mark in front of the first criterion. The next given information is that the candidate has secured 60% marks in the entrance test. This means criterion 3, that is, the candidate must have secured 60% marks in the entrance test, is directly fulfilled. This means Anita fulfills criterion 3, and so we need not go for the exception. Moving ahead, she can pay 50,000 in at the time of admission in one go. So we can put a tick mark in front of criterion 4 as well. The next information given is she secured 65% marks in graduation. So she fulfills criterion 2, that is, that graduation marks should be greater than equal to 50%. So we can see that all the criteria are fulfilled by the candidate. And so the correct option is
option number 3, Baba. That is, the student is to be admitted. Am I right?
Yes, Vidya. Now quickly do the next question based on the same information.